my beautiful people, welcome back to another vlog. So this is gonna be a little weekend in my life vlog, and I initially was not planning on vlogging this weekend, so I don't know how messy or how much I'm actually going to be vlogging, but today I'm going downtown this morning for brunch. I'm really excited. I'm meeting up with Lanny B, whom, if you guys don't know, is the host of the Morning Ray podcast. I listen to that all the time. I've shared it a few times. But yeah, I'm meeting up with Lanny B and two other girls for brunch, so I gotta get ready so that I'm not late because I slept in just a little bit this morning on this lovely Saturday. It's kind of gloomy outside, but we're just gonna get with it. All right, and we are heading out. So this is the little outfit of the day. I'm gonna throw on my Air Forces. I am pretty fancied up. It was like business casual dress code, so this is the look. Let's go.
It was late at night. You tossed and turned as thoughts began to play. How can this be life? Every day I would just waste away, saving up the time to spend it all on mindless entertainment, as if we'd find some sort of reason behind this need to survive. We could be right, or we could be wrong again.
Just got back from brunch, but we went to a mall and it was so nice to meet Lanny. Oh my gosh, we've been trying to meet up for so long, so that was so nice. And I got these little Lebanese strawberry pancakes. They were so good, but what I didn't expect is that they were cold. So they weren't like regular like hot pancakes, they were like these cold, and they were like folded in half, and it was so good though. Definitely recommend if you live in Toronto to go try out a mall, whether you're going for brunch or for dinner. We were talking about heading back there another time to go for dinner and try it out. Just the food was amazing. Had a nice little brunch out. It currently is around 2 p.m. so the rest of the day is kind of just chilling. So I decided I'm gonna go get a workout in today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film at the gym. I don't know how busy it's going to be because it's Saturday, but I'm gonna get all ready and then head to the gym. I'm just wearing this little green set from Do You Even today. I've had this set for about 2 years, so I'm not sure if they still make this style anymore, but I absolutely love their stuff. But anyways, let's go ahead for our workout. We're doing a little lower body glute day today, you already know.
Daffodil skies, they bloom in the darkest twilight. Make up a lie, tell yourself you're fine, like your mother and father did before. Eat yourself alive. You open up, but the words are all tongue-tied. Pulling back the blind, is this the world you pictured here before? Struggling to find some sort of reason behind this need to survive.
I'm not in love with you anymore.
I didn't know you ever were.
Let's not make this any more difficult than it already is.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Okay, I'm not in love with you either.
Yes, I know.
morning, beautiful people. So this morning I just made a giant smoothie and last minute I added spinach to it and I kind of ruined the beautiful pink color that you guys saw initially, but it's fine. And then I just topped it with some coconut and hemp hearts. I was just thinking last minute, I'm like, I really need some greens in my breakfast this morning. So I was like, let's add spinach and I hope that it doesn't ruin the pretty pink color. And of course it did. It made it like a muddled brownie pink, but it's fine. Plan for today, I'm actually heading downtown again. So this whole vlog in this weekend is like a Toronto vlog and a downtown weekend in my life. I'm actually meeting up with Maddie, who was in one of my vlogs, I want to say in May. We went and had a picnic, but she's a good friend of mine and we're gonna go shoot and have a content day. So we're gonna shoot a bunch of outfits and pictures for Instagram, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. I don't know if we're gonna go out for lunch or go out for dinner. We're gonna grab coffee. What we're gonna do, I'm not too sure what the plan is. It's a little overcast today, so I'm hoping that it brightens up a little bit, but we'll see what happens. That's kind of the overview for the day. That's what's happening. All right, we are heading out. Let's go shoot content and meet up with Maddie. Hello! Hi! We're with Maddie now, so we're shooting our first look down at Waterfront. I'm actually shooting a look for Cerise Dawn, but I think we have like 4 or 5 looks. Yeah. So we're like getting a lot done today. Yeah. I'm excited. So we're gonna take you. Exactly. Yeah! Let's go! Location number technically 1 because we went to the waterfront and then just like shot a quick look. But they kicked us out of like the other side of this building. There's like a private event going on and we're like, this is public property, very random. So we're trying to figure out what we want to do now. There you go.
That's what you gotta do when a camera turns on.
Location number 2, Forget Me Not Cafe, and we're also grabbing coffee. Yay, look how cute this is. Look how cute Maddie is. Aww.
I'm gonna set it up so that we can time lapse you. We love it. Where should I put it?
For a second that did not look like my camera and I was really confused.
There's a plant in the way.
I think this side looks better, but I might pull the table.
Do it. Set up your little station. Get all ready. Okay, this is Vanessa, the interior designer. I guess for outside, but that's okay. Look at that. Chef's kiss. Look at picture ready. Model moment. We love her. Yes.
Outfit number
72.
2.5.
2.5.
So you guys know this location by now. So I was here with Jadzia. Literally the cutest little spot on Ossington. We are gonna shoot at this doorway today and make it work.
Can we talk about this little building? Have we been transported to Greece? Because like I think we have.
Yeah, I think I'm trying to see either there. That actually might be, I think that might be the vibe.
Might be the moment.
Yeah.
We love it. I love this. Go off queen. Perfection. Los Angeles and Toronto, but fake it. We love it.
Okay, go ahead. Oh no, I freaking love these.
Right? Aren't they cute?
Yes.
You can call me photographer of the year from now on. That's what you can refer to me as. Okay, we're about to take a picture together. We're gonna insert the inspo here. I'm taking over your vlog now. It's mine now. And we'll put in our picture too. We'll see, to let you know how it goes. We love it.
We love it. We literally, so we didn't end up shooting at that spot with the 3 buildings, but we walked down just a little bit and found an even cuter one.
Perfection.
So,
Chef's kiss. Okay, so update. I am a really bad parker and we're at our last location. It's right there. And look where we're parked. On the curb.
It's okay. We're fine. We're safe. We're good.
We made it. We only 8-point turn to get in here, but you can label me best photographer, worst driver.
Sometimes we shake a little, sometimes we let it all out. Or if we made a little, bet we would figure it out. Let a man named go. Oh, mistouch turns cold. 'Cause you got 20/20 and I don't see it straight. Pictures of white picket fences on a pearly lake. You know it's gonna be a while. So why you in a rush to try?
So this is future editing Vanessa realizing I completely forgot to end off this vlog, but had an absolutely amazing day shooting with Maddie. We literally shot so many looks and we got so much done, which was great. But I'm actually heading up to my cottage tomorrow morning, so you guys will stay tuned for the cottage vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend in my life, this little vlog. Like I was saying at the beginning, I had no intention on planning, I had no intention on vlogging this week, so it was kind of like last minute, you know what, I'm gonna vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little kind of extra video this week. But I will see you all in my next video, and I love you guys so much. Bye.